Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to align the icons in the Divi icon list module to the top or bottom, ensuring a clean and consistent layout, especially for longer text that wraps onto multiple lines. By adjusting the vertical alignment, you can enhance your list's overall readability and style. Let's dive in and see how it's done. To adjust the vertical alignment of icons in the Divi icon list module, you can use the Icon Vertical Alignment setting. By default, icons are aligned to the middle, but this setting allows you to easily switch to top alignment for a cleaner and more consistent look. This feature is available through certain plugins. Check the accompanying post for details on how to access it. Once enabled, this option gives you greater flexibility to customize the appearance of your lists for better readability and design harmony. To adjust the vertical alignment of icons in the Divi icon list module, first open the module settings. Navigate to the Design tab and expand the Layout section. Within this section, you'll find the Icon Vertical Alignment dropdown. Click on it and select the top option. This will align your icons to the top of the list item text, which is particularly useful for creating a more polished, balanced look when the text extends onto multiple lines. To test the alignment effect, start by switching to the Content tab in the Icon List module settings. Locate the first icon list item and edit its content. Add a longer sentence here, something long enough to wrap onto a second line. This will make it clear how the icons align at the top compared to the multi-line text. Once you've updated the icon vertical alignment and adjusted your list item content, save the module settings and publish the page. Then, exit the Divi Builder to preview the live page as your visitors would see it. Check your icon list, and you'll notice that the icons are now aligned to the top of each list item, even for entries with multiple lines of text. This small adjustment creates a cleaner, more professional appearance for your lists. And that's it. By setting the icon list icons to top alignment in Divi, you can dramatically improve the look and readability of your multi-line lists. With just a few simple changes, your lists will appear cleaner, more organized, and polished on your live site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.